Hey everybody, Clint here, and today we're going to be asking the question, can I actually use my cell phone, my iPhone, to film a video that a client is paying me to film and be taken seriously? We're going to answer that question, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do that very thing. And I'll give you a quick hint. What? What is that? Well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you. Dadgum earwig on me. Little baby earwig. Little baby earwig. It's so cute. Cute little earwig. It's not that cute. Brother. So you and I both know that the iPhone is one of the best video cameras available. It's in everyone's pocket. You always have it with you, and it really takes great, fantastic video. But if you show up to film something you're being paid for, that paying client's gonna look at you and be like, what am I paying for? You're just holding up a phone. I could have done that. Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna show you some products in this video. I've got the Amazon links all down in the description. If you would use those links if you're interested in picking up this product I'm gonna show you here in just a minute. Also, if you would like to subscribe and like this video, I would super appreciate that. Hopefully you will find this video helpful. But we both know it takes more than just holding up the phone and hitting record to capture a great video. But it is a legitimate concern that they have, that you're just showing up with your phone. There is a measure of professionalism that we have to take as far as what it looks like to the client. Thankfully, I have a way for you to level up your iPhone videography game, and that little something is called SmallRig. No, it's not a steering wheel for a high-powered race car. Although it looks like it. Looks pretty cool, right? So this is SmallRig. It is one of many rig systems available for the iPhone. I happen to really like the SmallRig because, well, I like the way it's built. I like the aesthetic of it. And there are so many really cool accessories for SmallRig that SmallRig makes. So what does this thing do? Well, it comes in a package. You can get different configurations. This is the Video Kit Lite that I have for the iPhone 13 Pro. And this kit comes with the frame that you slide your iPhone in, which I'll do in a second. And it comes with two handles that can attach to multiple places on the rig. In fact, you can get so many different accessories for this. It's got all the standard video camera threading all around and different spots on the frame and on the handles. And I've even got this little cold shoe mount that you can put really anywhere. I put that on there so I could put a microphone on it. And it is so cool. It just helps you rig out your system where it looks really professional. Let me show it to you. First, you just take your iPhone out of its standard case, and then this little thing just unlocks. It's got a little lock button so it doesn't come open on you. Bonk. Opens up. Your iPhone slides right in. And it's got this nice little rubber gasket around it so it's nice and grippy. Then you just close it up. Look at that thing! And now, oh man, I got my camera rig out now. So I've got my phone in my SmallRig here. I'm actually, let's tell you what. Hello! As you can see, the handles really help the stability when you're taking footage. If you're on the move or want to get a cool, like, nice panning shot, especially if you're doing slow-mo, it really helps with all of that. Another thing I have on here that's not actually a SmallRig product, it's a Ulanzi product, but SmallRig also makes a similar one. It's a quick release accessory so that I can just snap on and snap off. I've got one here on the camera there. I'll show it to you. Check that out. So I've got one on both. So I can swap these out if I need to put this on this tripod. Let's do it. Boom. And just pop that sucker right in. Look, I just switched it over. What? All right, I'm gonna switch it back now. Whoa. It's kind of trippy. Boom, snaps right into place. right back where we had it. So cool. I actually used this rig with a couple of extra attachments on it recently at a video shoot at an elementary school. The principal, who's a friend of mine, and as I was actually filming, I had my microphone on there. I had my 360 cam actually attached to it to film myself filming. And there was also a guy there from the local news channel who was also filming this, and he looked over at me and he said, "Man, that's a cool rig." I was like, "Thanks, man. It really is." I don't even know if he knew it was my iPhone, but this looks professional. You can walk into a client's video project, you pull this out, and people know you're serious. Does it actually help with the video quality? Yes, it does, because of your ability to stay steady, to move in and out, and to get some of those cool shots that you might not otherwise have, and you can rearrange these handles however you wish. You can put one on top and have like a top down, kind of a floating close to the ground shot if you want. And if you just want to use one, that's cool too. You can take this one off, have your hand closer to the controls on the iPhone. Now this one is for the iPhone 13 Pro. They do make them for the 13 and the 12 Pro, and get them on Amazon. Actually, I've linked them down in the description. I'd appreciate it if you would use those links. In fact, I'll link some of my favorite accessories for this as well. I'll link the SmallRig for multiple phone models, and I'll also link some of my favorite accessories that you may want to check out. Oh, and I completely forgot to mention, now I haven't used this yet because I don't have them, but it has threading here on your lens to add lenses like the Moment lens. So if you want to accessorize your iPhone even further and give it even more capabilities with different lenses, you can do that. It's built right in. Very, very cool SmallRig. So that is my camera rig. I would love it if you would subscribe and maybe even turn on notifications and like this video if you found it helpful. I would love to help you with more things as we have more videos coming out. And I don't want you to miss them. So again, check out the SmallRig if you're doing any kind of paid client work. Even if you're not, it's such a cool tool to have. Even if you just make videos as part of your normal job, or maybe you're a communications or a tech guy at a church, and hey, that kind of falls under your jurisdiction as well, or even just a volunteer. Get this, it'll help you look more professional, and it will also help you feel more professional and enhance different types of shots that you could get. And if you want to learn more about using your iPhone for video, I'd encourage you to check out this video right here, and I think you'll find it helpful. All right, thanks for watching. Later.